5th century BC. That was the time when physical ailments and diseases were considered as curses. Treatment of diseases was steeped in all kinds of superstitions and magic. Hippocrates, the Greek philosopher and physician, entered this world of mumbo-jumbo. He rescued medicine from the clutches of superstition and irrationality. It was Hippocrates who gave medicine the status of a science. The Unani system of medicine evolved from the teachings of Hippocrates. Greek scholars like Galen strengthened the foundations of the Unani system. Arab physicians like Rhazes and Avicenna built a superstructure on the foundations laid by Hippocrates and Galen. As it spread to several Central Asian and Far Eastern countries, Unani medicine imbibed features of the contemporary medical systems of those countries. When the Persian and Central Asian cities were attacked by Mongols, Arab scholars and physicians of those cities fled to India. It is believed that the fleeing scholars and physicians carried their wealth of knowledge with them, which included Unani medicine. With the patronage of Delhi rulers like Khiljis, Tughlaqs and Mughals, Unani system of medicine took firm roots on Indian soil. The migrant physicians continued to experiment with native drugs and enriched their repertoire. The masses favored the Unani medicine, and it attained its pinnacle of success between the 13th and 17th centuries. Unani medicine lost its royal patronage with the arrival of British rule. Individuals like Hakim Ajmal Khan contributed to its development in India. Hippocrates considered disease as a natural process. What we observe as symptoms are the reactions of the body to the disease. The physician must try to aid the natural processes of the body to fight the disease. The chief contribution of Hippocrates to medical science was humoral theory. The humoral theory presupposes the presence of 4 humors in the body.
According to Unani system of medicine, there are 4 main humors in the body. That is the blood, the phlegm, the bile and the black bile. And the right constitution of these 4 humors is the basis of the health. And the wrong constitution, whether it can be the qualitative difference, the qualitative or the quantitative, which leads to the disease.
In Unani, these 4 humors are known as Dam, Bhalgam, Safra and Soda. Humors are supposed to have particular characteristics. Blood is hot and moist, while phlegm is cold and moist. Yellow bile is supposed to be hot and dry, while black bile is cold and dry. Unani system of medicine lays emphasis on diagnosing a disease through nubs or pulse. The physician feels the rhythmic pressure in the arteries of the patient with his fingers. Urine or ball and stool or baraz are also examined to help diagnose the disease. Various types of treatment are used in Unani system of medicine.
Unani system of medicine offers treatment in various ways. Say for example, there is the regimental therapy, there is the dietotherapy, there is the pharmacotherapy and there is the surgery.
Generally, single drugs or their combinations in raw form are used in Unani system. Since most of them are natural and herbal, they are free from side effects. If a particular herb is toxic in its raw form, it is used only after purification. Drugs are also administered according to the temperament of the individual so that the process of recovery is accelerated. Complex and chronic diseases are treated by administering compound formations.
The Unani system of medicine is different from modern system of medicine in the way that it is mostly the herbs and some drugs from mineral sources and some drugs from animal sources which are used in Unani system of medicine. There are no synthetic drugs in Unani system of medicine.
Unani medicine considers the influence of environment and ecological conditions very important for the health of human beings. The system also emphasizes the need to maintain proper ecological balance and having pollution-free air, water and food. Systematic research was initiated in Unani medicine in 1969, soon after the establishment of the Central Council for Research in Indian Medicine and Homeopathy. In 1978, a separate council was established for research in Unani.
Hakim Ajmal Khan is regarded as the person who is responsible for starting the scientific research on Unani system of medicine. It is he on whose advice one of the leading chemists of the time, Professor Salimuzzaman Siddiqui, had extensive research on one of the important the local herbal drugs, the Raulfare serpentina, popularly known as Asrol, and the Pagal booty in Unani system of medicine.
Research has been an integral part of Unani system. Physicians at the Central Research Institute of Unani Medicine, CRIME, Hyderabad, say that
the Central Research Institute of Unani Medicine, Hyderabad is, as a matter of fact, it is a constituent unit of Central Council for Research in Unani Medicine, which is an apex research body in Unani system of medicine. The council in general and the institute in particular is engaged in scientific research in Unani system of medicine. The various areas of research which our organization engaged in are the clinical research, drug standardization research, survey and the cultivation of medicinal plants, and the literary research. Under the auspices of the clinical research, our institute has been engaged right from its inception in 1971 in research on vitiligo.
Center of Excellence in the treatment of vitiligo. We attract the patient from throughout the globe. Till now, we have treated over 70,000 cases of vitiligo, and we have successfully treated them.
after the country achieved independence, the government of India made attempts to promote all the traditional medical systems like Ayurveda and Unani.